What are you doing now? Brush my teeth. Brush hair. Comb my hair. Cook. Draw. Dream. Drink. Dry. Dry hair. Eat. Eat breakfast. Eat dinner. Eat lunch. Finish.
Get dressed.
Get up. Go home. Go to bed. Go to school. Go to sleep. Go to the bathroom. Have a bath. Have a shower. Have a snack. Have breakfast. Have dinner. Have lunch.
Help in the housework. Invite friends. Listen to music. Make the bed. Make telephone calls. Put on a jacket. Read. Read. Repeat. Sit down. Sleep. Start. Study. Take a bath. Take a shower. Take the bus. Wake up. Wash. Wash my face. Watch TV. Write.